Hi guys, if you can recall, yesterday we had a video on how you can make free money, okay, through Pepecoin. So I showed you the step-by-step guides on how to do it, how to, create a wallet for it, how to claim the coin, and every hour and get free real money from the platform every hour of the day. And I'm glad that if you check that video right here, you observe that people have been claiming that. All right. And I've seen a couple of screenshots in our Telegram chat, also in our WhatsApp chat of people who have been claiming that. All right. So, but today I told you on WhatsApp yesterday and also across, also on Crypto Niche app on Telegram, I told you that I'm going to show you a thesis, you know, because I'm probably interested in buying this coin. Okay, so but I'm not going to do that blindly. I'm going to be doing that based on what data is available to us. Now I've done, maybe I should start from fundamental first before I go to technical, because of course, I'm going to show you the technical analysis of why I'm going to be, buying this coin. It's not a token, please. It's a coin. It has its own blockchain, and the blockchain is pretty much similar like that of Dogecoin. Now, the number one technical analysis that you should know about this coin is that it was launched by one of the developers of Dogecoin. Okay, so that is the first fundamentals that you should know. So, and it is built pretty much like Dogecoin because it has its own blockchain. It uses proof of work, algorithm consensus, all right. And virtually any machine that can mine Bitcoin, that can mine Dogecoin, Litecoin, can also be used to mine this coin. And the number of miners are growing, exponentially every week, every month. It is growing. So, and at the moment, the number of those who are mining this coin, the number of miners here, they are now like 10% of the miners who are mining Dogecoin throughout the world. All right. So it shows that it is fast catching up, it is fast catching up. And, the supply is huge. Okay. That's one of the concerns you might have. But come on, guys, that is typical of meme coins. Billions supply is typical of meme coins. So that shouldn't actually scare you in any way. If that's my opinion about that. So, and the market cap is quite low, okay, and the risk is there. I understand and I fully acknowledge the risk involved in it, but the potential is also massive, all right? So, but before I actually go deeply into this, I made a video yesterday on how you can actually get the free coin. If try and check the channel, and I'm going to be leaving you a link to this video in the description. All right, so that you can watch it and learn how to claim the free coin by yourself in case you don't want to buy. All right. So going to the socials. This is if you go to check them out on X, this is exactly what you're going to be seeing on their X platform. I kind of, I kind of follow them up, keep a tab on what they're doing. And if you're smart enough, you can add them to your list. You can add them to your list, list of projects you're actually keeping tab on X. That is pretty much how to stay updated. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see that they don't even have huge followers. Like, you don't have a massive, number of followers like that. Okay. But if you scroll down, you can see that they are fairly active. Today is 16th, and they made a post yesterday, 14th of January. So these guys are building. Okay. So they are building, they're not relaxing in any way. Okay, let me just like this. Okay. So they are building, they're not relaxing in any way. Once on Pepecoin, you can actually get it free through the faucet, like I told you. So nice work, they're getting an acknowledgement from some users on X. Okay. And right now they said that in the last 5 days alone, the number of nodes on network has grown by approximately 57%. Okay, the Pepecoin network has just reached 10% of the size of the node on the Dogecoin. Okay, so I kind of believe that at some point these guys are going to get the required attention. And by the time they get attention, and if you start buying at that point in time, then it's almost too late for you to buy. So it makes sense to buy now. Okay, to buy now. That's the best to do right now. So how did you learn about Pepcoin? Of course, if you comment here, just tell them you learn about Pepcoin through patronage. It's as simple as that. Just tag. Okay. So there are now over 1,000 nodes on the Pep blockchain. That's also a very good news. And also, part of the fundamentals you need to look out for is that I think on 18th of this month, they are going to be having their first halving event. Okay, their first halving event is going to be happening on the 18th of this month. Okay, it means that the number of rewards that they're going to be giving out to be halved. Okay, so and they said that Pepecoin next halving is 28 days away. Okay, that post was made. You can see that. So then if you go to coin market calendar, you can check and confirm that. So they're going to be having their halving event very soon. Okay, so you should take note of that halving event. So initially they had 805 nodes. Look at the time it took them to add extra 195 nodes between January 4 to January what? To January 9. In a span of 5 days, almost 200 nodes joined their network. Okay, it shows the level of traction, the level of growth. And don't forget, recently they actually got into the Binance launch pool. Okay, they got into Binance launch pool and they are listed across, I think, about 4 to 5 different exchanges. Let me confirm that. Even on Coinex. Okay, it's on Coinex, on Beat, StakeQ, XGX or something. I don't know how to pronounce that. Please forgive me. So it's on Trade Augur. Okay, so and they had the highest volume, I guess, on Coinex, being a centralized exchange platform. So if you don't have an account on Coinex and if you like to buy, there's going to be a link in the description. Okay, so you can use that link to buy. Okay, that's my affiliate link. So click on it and buy. You can withdraw it in your private wallet. Please, when you buy, do not keep on the exchange. Just buy and leave. Buy and move it to your private wallet. Of course, you've learned in the previous video how to create your own wallet already, isn't it? So just buy and keep it safely. This is just like a buy and keep stuff, but don't buy. Know that don't just buy. Have you can even buy strategically. You don't have to buy everything at once. Okay, you can be patient and you can buy strategically. All right. So yeah. So coming here, should we actually go to the fundamentals right away? Okay, maybe. All right. So let us go right there to the fundamentals. Sorry, the technicals right away. Okay, so the volume is not that huge and the market cap is not significant. That's 5.1 million, sorry, 51 million market cap and 171K volume. Okay, and you can see total supply is equal to circulating supply. So if there's going to be any new PEP at all, it has to be those ones that are mined. Okay, and the mining reward or the mining difficulty is increasing day after day. Okay, day after day. So let me even check if there's a way to keep track and look at their node sources. Okay. Okay, so you can have a look at how many nodes are there on the blockchain. The sender, you know, I don't know how to interpret those actually. Do you actually have a node in Nigeria? Wow. Where in Nigeria exactly? Amazing. Amazing. So someone is actually running the node, I think in Lagos State. Wow, I like that. That's impressive, really. That's very what impressive. So you can see globally, there are a lot of nodes. There is barely any continent where you won't find a node. Okay, in Asia, in America, South America, North America, they have nodes like almost everywhere. So that is something significant if you ask me. So everything looks so good, in my opinion. So I think right now they have 1,036. Can you just imagine? Okay, the number of nodes. I think total now they have 1,480. Can you see now? It's increasing. It's increasing. All right. So now moving now from here to the technical part of it. So go to tradingview.com. Let's go to Coinex. Don't worry, I'm going to be leaving you with the full chart. Sorry. Just type PEP like this. Then go to crypto section. You can see it's on Coinex. Okay. Once this guy gets to Binance, boom, that's just it. So let me leave. Sorry about that. Let me remove this. It's causing obstruction on our chart. So then let me switch this like daily time frame for you. Okay, so look at this. And you can also look at it on 4 hours time frame if you want. Okay, it's just a matter of what you're comfortable with. All right. So then if you look at this closely, you observe that on this time frame, look at the trend. It's been bearish. Okay, it's been bearish. consistently for like several weeks, several months right now. Okay, it's been bearish, and recently we have a breakout of this bearish price action. Okay, so we are seeing this all this market because yes, last night I had a student that I'm training one-on-one on market analysis, crypto market analysis, and I had to like use this arrow to demonstrate certain things to her. That's why you are seeing this arrow on the chart. So because we discovered this together through our research when I was trying to train her how to do proper research. So during that training program, we stumbled on this coin. We found it through our research, and here we are today. We are talking about it, and we are doing more and more research about this coin. So let me reduce the pixel. I have to increase the pixel because of our vision. So let me reduce the pixel. I believe you can see it. Okay. So yeah. So now we have a breakout of this trend. That's obvious. Okay, they had a breakout of this trend, and it looks pretty much exhausted if you look at that closely. So yeah, this should be now what will actually convince us. Okay, but I'm not going to be waiting for that conviction yet. Why? Because I've actually seen what I want to see. Okay, and I'm going to be holding for long, so not as maybe I want to just buy and dump next few days. Okay, this is just like a buy and forget kind of thing. But trust me, we're actually right here at a good price. This is a very good price for us. Okay, if you also go back to coin market cap and check the all-time data across all the platforms, this is exactly what you will see. Okay, so this is not the floor price, I know. Okay, this is like 10x of the. This is more like 10x from the floor price. Okay, so if you've actually got into this project since maybe around August last year, okay, you've done like 10x already. So that is why they had to dump and crash the price and bring to this point. But this also feels like the next best price. Aside, if you miss this level, this seems to be like the next best price. Okay, so let me go back to the charts, right? So this is how we're gonna be buying it. There could be a retest of this trend line. Okay, there could be a retest. If there's a retest and there's a bounce of this trend line, if they actually break down, then that's a very good that's a very good thing for us. It's a very good signal for us, and it gives us even more conviction about what we're doing. So we're not going to be waiting for that to happen. So it makes sense to start buying. Okay, so from year to year, let me say from this price to this price, can you see 10x, isn't it? All right. So, but you don't have to wait for that. All we need to do basically is to start buying at strategic levels. So, we could have a moment like this. Okay, maybe a retest like this one. I know a retest of the trend line like this. And it bounces off from that point. Okay, that should have a lot of buyers. Right in the markets. Okay, they have a moment like this. Okay, that's a possibility on that chart. Okay, if you have a moment like that, then you probably have a different entry levels like this. Okay, so let me demonstrate that. Don't worry, this chart is going to be available for everyone. So if you buy here, it's not bad. And if there is ever going to be a retest, and you buy, and there is a retest on the trend line, it's not a bad thing also. Okay, then if you have the opportunity of buying probably around this level, this is also a very good level for us. That's just shortly below the previous support level that we have here. If that support is broken, it's not going to be a bad idea to buy here. Okay, so then you can have, you can start taking profit somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Let's say you're buying here, go to CoinX and buy. You're just throwing a few bucks into that. Okay, yeah, something like this. Okay, don't forget, if the price dips below this level, then you can also I want to exit. So this could be your stop loss. This should be a level you can say, I just want to sell, and I don't do again. but your loss is not going to be that big because you're actually averaging your losses along the way. So that's not going to give you any concern whatsoever. Okay, that's another case. So if you're able to buy along this path, this is like a plan for us, then you can take your first profit probably around a year, then leave your money back to this point. This is going to be probably your money back. Okay, so that's a possible movement for this. All right. So I believe that because I've actually been keeping track on their Telegram group, and I see that these guys are not actually sleeping. Every week, every month, they are doing something to add value to what is already on ground. Okay. So, and if someone like you is mining it in Africa, you should know that it is not, just like someone said, I actually saw a post on Facebook. Someone said that anything you are doing in this world, and there are no Nigerians there, just forget it. Stop doing that thing. And right now, I think we have like 4 miners in Nigeria are currently mining this token. So what's going to be your excuse? Okay. So yeah, this is not a financial advice actually, but you should just think about the possibility, that exists here. Okay. So you don't have to go all in, just a few bucks will be enough. Maybe like 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 100 bucks, this is the main coin. You don't have to go all in, it's not an utility based project really. So yeah, manage your risk effectively. That's basically the advice I'm gonna give to you. So I'm gonna publish this chart so you can have a deeper look, and that will actually guide you. Okay, just set your limit buy on CoinX and see if they get filled at some point. Whatever amount you're able to buy, then hold on to it. This is the exact same plan that we used to buy Bonk. Okay, and we did like I think we did about 12 to 15x on Bonk at some point. Yeah. So that's the exact same game plan we used for it. So guys, this is pretty much all I have to share with you, with respect to my thesis on this project. Okay. If it sounds good to you, hit subscribe button right now. Subscribe, follow me for more analysis like this one. Okay. You can see, I'm not just saying you should buy. I'm giving you reasons. Okay. Giving you reasons that will support your idea. All right. And that's exactly what I want to do. Okay, that's exactly what I want you to do. So bye. So bye for now. You subscribe, share with your friends. Okay, that makes sense to you. Share with your friends. Let them know that you are gaining value here. Invite them to the channel, and let them also gain the same value you are getting. All right. So I'm gonna say bye, everyone. Have a great day.